how to install ConnectNetwork by GTL app. So just this is like a app by Global Tilling Corporation. You can create a ConnectNetwork account, manage your account information, make deposit into various accounts, send messages, photos, and videos to your loved ones, work in retail, and yeah. So I don't know if this app is yeah, like of course, like it's very specific niche app. When you need it. There is also another app called GPay app, but this one it's not that has that good reviews. So as you can see, the rating is just 2.2 out of 5. It's quite slow, not user friendly, and this app was here for a while, but that's like high fees and very poor developed app. But yeah, if you're in that situation, you can install this app.